My friend Anne Marie is telling me to slap Dustin again.
Ow! Stop it! So,
Being Human,
yeah.
season 3. So we take off 15 months later. Ray's dead. So
Josh killed him with a rock
free
to
of
the
his
face.
lycanthropy, no more. But Nora is still a werewolf, obviously because Ray didn't create her. And Sally's still in limbo, and she's there with Stevie and Nick. So Josh and Nora are like a full-fledged couple.
They're living together, and everybody's happy, and you know, every once a month, Nora becomes kind of a bitch, but don't all women? The truth hurts, you guys.
So they're running around trying to find their best friends, a ghost and a vampire who's buried underground. Aiden is hallucinating. He's a mess. He's starving.
But he's digging up.
He gets dug up by some Boston hillbillies, and it's fantastic.
And it turns out that all the other vampires over the last 15 months have had some sort of flu
They've been drinking from the humans, and apparently the humans have a flu. But I'm starting to think that maybe it's the vaccine that made them sick and not the
It's
flu.
something. Something made the vampires sick and they're dying.
Because it cannot be as simple as the flu, otherwise vampires would be extinct. But I have said this before about the show. These vampires have a lot of weaknesses. Yeah. They are not as tough as some of
I kind of like that. It's like they're fragile. Vampires are in some ways so much more powerful than normal humans, but in some ways really fragile. Like, they need blood to live, but if they drink too much of it, it becomes a drug.
They need to be strong and fast, because if they weren't, they would immediately die. So he gets dug up.
They think, the other vampires think that because Aiden's been underground all this time, his blood might be able to cure them, but it turns out no.
It can't, and one of the Dutch had hired the Boston
crappy
hillbilly, and
Dutch
is driving him, and he's telling him about how Mother is dead,
but I don't
really
think
think she is. And he's gonna drink Aiden's blood. He tries to drink it, and he just
he does. He drinks it. He drinks all of Aiden's blood. To the point where he can barely... So we leave the episode with Aiden lying on the ground.
He's hallucinating. He's hallucinating
just
Bishop,
basically the only
he's
thing...
hallucinating his friends talking to him, and he's laying there, and...
The only thing keeping him alive is his own will to live. So Nora and Josh hook up with this witch, and she's
more like... She's not like a witch, like she's like a voodoo priestess or something.
Yeah.
She's telling them, you need to bring me a heart of somebody you've killed. And not only that, so they go and they dig up Ray and they get his heart, and it's this whole big thing, and it's really kind of comedic, and I love the dark humor in the show. And they get the heart, and then they go and they have to also dig up Sally's body.
Yes, then she bring back the heart, like, oh, go get Sally's body too.
And that was emotional for me.
Yeah.
You don't feel the emotions.
I don't feel human emotions.
It's emotional for me because every time they acknowledge that Sally was once alive is really sad, because death is so sad.
So the witch uses the heart and some other magical voodoo-y things.
Wraps the corpse up.
So now Sally is not a ghost anymore. She's mummy.
She's alive.
Oh yeah, her soul's called away from limbo.
It was amazing.
She not only does she release herself from limbo, she releases Suicide Stevie and Nick also.
They walk through the door.
So
they're inside her somewhere.
Maybe we don't know what happened.
Yep.
But now Sally's a physical being, and I think now instead of so Josh is no longer a werewolf. Aiden is still a vampire, but he's dying.
A mess, and
he's
he
a mess.
needs help.
And now Sally is a mummy.
It's fantastic.
It's
and
amazing.
This season is going to be great.
Oh, and Nora's a werewolf. Nora and her fantastic... Her hair was fantastic this episode.
Is it Kristen Hager? Am I saying
Hager.
That right?
Oh my god, it was
so
like
pretty.
Swooshy and like just perfect and
This
blonde.
cast is ridiculously attractive.
I'm delightful.
So now it's time for Scene of the Week!
Hey, Josh? Sally? What day is it? Is it Taco Tuesday? I don't really know what to do with myself. I guess I don't know, just lay here. So, Bishop dropped by earlier. He's getting around, you know. You guys ever watch Supernatural? It's a pretty good show. Plays into hallucination on that show, too. You ever watch Revolution? That show sucks.
So, Mommy now. This was a great idea. Really looking forward to it.
Hey Josh, what do you want to have for dinner?
I don't know. Why do we ask my mommy?
Who? So anyway, that was the scene of the week.
Hope you liked it.
We know you did.
We'll see you next week.
I'm Dustin.
I'm Molly.
And this has been
Reviews for Humans.
Rah, 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 rah.